So tasty and delicious. So tasty and delicious. So this is one of the best Cameroon dishes. When you visit Cameroon, you have to eat ndolé and plantains, ndolé and rice, ndolé and yam. So let me take you straight into the video on how to cook this yummy delicacy. Welcome back to my channel. What's cooking in the building today? Cameroon's famous ndolé. Yes, today we are going to eat ndolé, and here we have our fresh bitter leaves. Please don't ask me how I got fresh bitter leaves in China. And here I have peanuts already put in water. I'm going to blend later. We have mutton. I am using mutton to cook my ndolé. And then we have our crayfish, popularly known as njanga. He placed 9 in the food. And then I have onion that I'm going to use to cook my meat. I have my already blended spices, garlic, ginger, and red pepper. And then I have, for my taste, I'll be using Maggi crevette and salt. And I'll be serving the ndolé with half-ripe plantains. The ndolé is already well washed. If people want me to show you how I wash ndolé, you should make a request, and I'll do that in my next video. So the first thing I'm going to do this morning is to cook my mutton. So that's the mutton already on the fire. In Chinese we call mutton yang rou. So I'm going to cook it for 45 to 1 hour because I want it really well cooked. So guys, time to check if the meat is ready. As you can see, the meat is very ready. Time to take it off the fire, and then I give it a fry. Into this same pot, I'm going to pour in my oil that I'm going to use to fry the mutton. That is peanut oil. So I'm going to leave it at this level, and now I am adding in my blended peanuts. Make sure when you are blending your peanuts, you should not blend it 100%. It should be 80%, 60 to 80% blended. So I will let the peanuts also fry a little to blend with any ingredients in the mutton. Alright, now I'll be adding in the stock for taste. So this is the stock. I'll be adding the content on the fire to cook well. Alright, as you can see, the groundnut is well cooked, and now I'll be adding in my spices. What goes in next is the crayfish. You can never cook ndolé without crayfish because it gives it another taste and flavor. When the crayfish is also well cooked, then I'm going to go in with the final ingredient, which is the washed bitter leaf a washed bitter leaves called Ndolé. Dole is always very, very thick and it's very different from bitter leaf soup. I think in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how we cook bitter leaf soup, which is very different from Dole. So I'm adding in the bitter leaf now. I'm mixing the contents. Alright, so for those of you who were asking me questions like, apart from using mutton to cook pepper soup, what else can you use it for? You can use mutton to cook your ndolé. So I'll allow the content to simmer for about 3 minutes and then we are done. Alright, the ndolé is very, very ready to be eaten. So now I want some oil that I'm going to pour inside because it's very, very thick. So I pour in my oil. It can be red oil, it can be peanut oil, depending on your choice. And some people are going to add some onion in the oil, maybe to give the ndolé an extra taste. Yeah, in my last video I did that, but today I'm not doing that. So you see, with the oil in it, the texture is different now. So the food is very, very ready. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Yummy, 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 yummy ndolé and half-ripe plantains. I want taste now. I will taste her. Hold on.